Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, which of the following exponential expression when evaluated gives the greatest product? And we have given 4 options. Let us check each option one by one. First, consider option A. 3. Here we have given 3 into 3 into 3 5 times. 3 into 3. So 3 into 3 into 3 is 9 3s are 27 into this 3 3s are 9. So 27 into 9 is 243. Now check option B. This 5, multiplying this 5 4 times, we get 25 into 25, which is 625. Option C is given as this 2 multiplied 9 times, so here it is. We can group this into 4. So 2 4 times is 16, again 2 4 times is 16, and this remaining 2. So 16 into 16 2s are 32. After multiplying this 16 and 32, we get 512. And for option D, 9 into 9 into 9 is 81 into 9. So it is 729. Now here we can observe in between these 4 options, the greatest product is 729. Hence 9 into 9 into 9 gives the greatest product. That is, option D gives greatest product. Hence our correct option is option D.